My wife is the, look here, sweetheart. My wife is the leak finder.
What?
And
I tried my best.
listen, we all overlooked everything, even with George here. He didn't even know. And look, it looked like nothing. It looked like bird poop.
It's open here.
This,
Wow.
my wife found the leak and she's gonna fix it. Look at it. You clean it with water. Something punctured it. Limb or something. So here's what we do. We take scissors, take a little bit of fleece. Here's how a woman does it. Very gently, nice. Look.
My husband, I don't like the way he has that. Okay, I'll be honest. It's a video.
He doesn't look.
I don't like the thing too much.
Alright. So that's how she does it. Very gently. Put a coat of silicone. Okay, that's what we use.
That's silicone.
See? Super silicone. She put it. Look at that. Beautiful. And that's it. The patch is done.
It's very easy. As soon as you find that.
As soon as you find the leak. If you don't find the leak, it's not easy. You come back many times.
Many times you need.
Alright? Look at it. Done.
Yeah. Nice thing to do that.
We showed George how to do it. He's a maintenance guy.
He's an amazing guy.
He's an amazing guy.
Yeah, he is.
All right.
I need to do something else, okay?
Okay, she's going to do panel, the wainscot.
Like you don't use the neutral floor anymore.
No.
It's not this.
Yeah.
Other people use that stuff. This lasts forever.
Look, show why you're putting this.
Hold on. I don't want to use too much.
Okay. So show. Open it up.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, she open it this way. Open the seam.
See. Okay.
Look.
Remember they put
caulking there, and the caulking never works.
Yeah.
Look.
Okay. So the water is going to go in, do it. So I want to put this here.
And that's it.
Okay.
Put the blue.
A little piece of it.
Okay, there we go. That's it.
I'm happy.
Alright, I'm back here to show you the quick results. And look, beautiful. Look how smooth. So you can see, you can barely see the overlapping seams. After you've done it, it's liquid. It fills in all the gaps. Look at it. Beautiful. Look how smooth. And this will never leak. And now we're back here. And I want to show you what it looks like. Look, it rained. You can see the raindrops. But look how nice. Smooth. There's no seams. Nothing can open up. Smooth. Very nice. Nice and smooth. Look. See that? Smooth and touch dry. Clean. This cannot leak. More amazing also is, look, it sticks to the glass. Sealed. Sticks to EPDM, sticks to glass. And that's it. We're done. Alright, sweetheart? Give us your final thought.
Thank you for watching and give it subscribe. Or give me your opinion or something. What?